Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect Broadlink to Wi-Fi. Open the Broadlink app, sign in, tap Add Device, and follow on-screen prompts to select your device and enter your network password. Put the Broadlink device in pairing mode by holding its button until the LED blinks quickly. Ensure your phone is on the same 4 GHz network and avoid VPNs or mobile hotspots during setup for stability. If pairing fails, try these troubleshooting steps. Restart the Broadlink device by unplugging it for 10 seconds, restart your router, and reboot your phone. Confirm the router uses a 4 GHz SSID and that the password is correct and contains no special characters that may block setup. Temporarily disable security like MAC filtering and guest mode, then retry pairing. If problems persist, reset the Broadlink to factory defaults and start the setup from scratch. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long setup sessions with excellent insulation and a leak-proof lid. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if interested. Thanks for the support and small purchases that help my channel grow. Now let's get back to the video. For advanced setups, use these tips to improve reliability and range. Place the Broadlink device away from large metal objects and microwaves, and avoid placing it inside cabinets or behind TVs. Consider using a Wi-Fi extender on the same 4 GHz network to reach distant devices, and assign a static IP in your router to prevent address changes. Keep firmware and app updated, and document your device name for easy control in automation routines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.